guys, welcome back to Kiwa. Today I'll be showing you the operating procedure for our Rothenberger fully automatic CNC butt fusion machine. So come closer and I'll show you how to operate. Okay, as you can see, there are a few buttons within this panel. The red one is our on-off button, which includes as an emergency stop button as well. The blue one is for our trimmer, while the yellow one is for our heater. Red is for cancel, while green is for OK. This one, which is lighting up, this one is for our heating plate. And two more buttons, which is for us to control our hydraulics. One is to close, and while one is to open. Then this is our screen showing all the settings. While we can see, usually once we start our machine, we'll have to warm up the machine. How do we do it? We just click run in, then we click OK. So now we are going to start the welding process. What we have to do on the first step is that all we have to do is click the welding button. As you can see, here are all the parameters shown within the machine. But what we usually have to set is only three things on the first page, which is the commission, the project manager, and the joint number. As we go down, we can see there are operator numbers which we can set as well. In our case, we already put it to my name, William. Other than that, we can choose the material from PE 80 to 100. As well as the SDR, and also there are a range of pipe size for us to choose from. So once we've done our setting, all we have to do is to click OK. And all of these are preset according to the measurement that we put in. So all we have to do is to click OK. Once everything is done setting, as you can see, this machine is easy to operate. All we have to do is to follow the icon and the colors. And the control panel here, all we have to do is to click the blue color or the same icon which is stated here. Okay, so now we have to put in the trimmer. Don't forget the safety lock. So once the trimmer has been put in, all we have to do is to start the trimmer. As you can see, once the machine is done trimming, all we have to do is to remove the trimmer. Okay, so now we have to remove all this. And then we have to wipe out with acetone. Once we have done trimming our pipes and cleaning it with acetone, we have to check the alignment. How do we check this? We have to close it up first. Okay, how do we check the alignment is that we have to use our hand to feel whether the alignment is more than 90%. So in our case, everything is okay. We will proceed. But let's say, as you can see, there are two options here. One is to retrim the pipe if the alignment is not okay. But in our case, since everything is okay, we're going to proceed with the heating part. So now what the machine is doing is that they are testing the drag pressure before the fusion process. Once the machine done testing its drag pressure, you can see it will ask us to insert the heating plate. Once we inserted the heating plate, all we have to do is follow the icon or the color, which is pressing the green button. And then the machine will close up and start the fusion process. Once the heating is done, the machine itself will make a sound in order to ask us to get ready to remove the heating plate. As you can see just now, the machine will inform us once the heating process is done. It will inform us to get ready to remove the heating plate. And once the heating plate is removed, the machine will close itself to start the fusion process. As you can see, this is the time stated that the whole fusion process will take. And once the fusion process is almost done, the machine itself will sound again. As you guys can see, the pipe has been welded and the whole welding process has been done. We hope you guys enjoy our content. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.